Students, today we start the differentiation of the implicit function. So let's understand that what is the implicit function. Okay. So as if I say that let's write this function, I am saying that y plus y x square is equal to suppose x. So this function you can write like this also, y times of 1 plus x square is equal to x. So at the end you can say that y is equal to x by 1 plus x square. Okay, so this is y is equal to x by x 1 plus x square. So this can be written as y is equal to fx, y is equal to fx. So here this can be written in form of y is equal to fx. But suppose if I say that let's write this also, x square y square x cube y cube and y plus 2 equal to x. Now if I say that, now let's write these things in terms of y is equal to something, then y is equal to in form of fx. That's not possible because you cannot separate y and x. यहाँ पर आप y और x को अलग नहीं कर सकते, तो इसको y इक्वल टू fx के फॉर्म में आप नहीं लिख पाएंगे, सॉल्व करेंगे तो भी नहीं होगा। तो ये हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, तो ये हमारा हो जाएगा इम्प्लीसिट फंक्शन। ये फंक्शन हमारा क्या है, इम्प्लीसिट। और पहला वाला हमारा क्या था, ये था हमारा एक्सप्लिसिट। ओके, तो ये आपको ध्यान रखना है, एक्सप्लिसिट और इम्प्लिसिट। और इसका डिफरेंशिएशन कैसे होगा, इसके लिए चलो चलो देखते हैं, एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं पहले हम लोग। इसका फर्स्ट एग्जांपल हमने ले लिया, नंबर फर्स्ट, एंड दैट इज एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2xy plus y cube is equal to 4, and you have to find the dy by dx of this question. How to do that, let's solve it. So differentiate this with respect to x, so you get 2x plus 2 x and y. So differentiate x, that is y, that is 1 into y plus x dy by dx plus 3y square and dy by dx equal to 0. So take dy by dx common and you will get dy by dx is common and you will get 2x plus 3y square equal to minus twice of x plus y. Okay, dy by dx minus twice of x plus y by 2x plus 3y square. Okay, so yeah, I think it is clear to you. Okay, so this is the differentiation, that is the dy by dx. Okay, so this, in this way we have to differentiate. There is one formula that I want to tell you, so that is one formula and you have to keep in mind, and that formula you can apply when you have implicit function. If you want to find the dy by dx, then you have to apply dy by dx is equal to minus times of differentiation of f with respect to x. So df by dx, keep y as constant. Okay, divided by differentiation of f with respect to y, keep x as constant. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. Okay, now let's use this to find the answer of the first one, and so let's do. So what is the function, function is going to be here. So in this case you have to write the function in such a way that fx x y. Okay, because x and y both are here. So x square plus 2xy plus y cube minus 4. Okay, now let's differentiate it. With respect to x, keep y as a constant. Okay, with respect to x, so 2x plus 2y and remaining are the constant. Okay, y cube is going to be constant, and find the df by dy. So we will 2x plus 3y square. Okay, 2x 3y square x square and y and 4 is going to be constant for this. Okay, so please keep this in mind, and if you have this, this can really help you to solve the problem. Okay, So so this formula is very important. So please keep this in your mind. Okay, you can write in your copy also. Let's take other problem, and problem number second, that is y is equal to x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1 by and so on. Okay, so x plus 1 by x. Okay, so this is going to be up to infinite. So what you can do, suppose that infinite terms हैं इसमें, तो infinite terms अगर कुछ terms आपने मान लीजिए गायब कर दिया तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा। तो इसमें क्या कर सकते हैं हम, y इक्वल टू वाई तो मान नहीं सकते सीधा। इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, ऑब्जर्व करते हैं पैटर्न कहाँ से हमारा रिपीट हो रहा है। तो हमारा पैटर्न रिपीट हो रहा है एक्स प्लस वन बाई समथिंग, एक्स प्लस वन बाई समथिंग। तो ये हमारा ऐसे रिपीट हो रहा है एक्स प्लस वन बाई समथिंग, एक्स प्लस वन बाई समथिंग। तो यहाँ पर आप कर सकते हैं, इस पूरे को आप चाहें तो फिर से y मान सकते हैं, इस पूरे को आप चाहें तो फिर से y मान सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये भी एक टर्म्स आपने इग्नोर कर दिया तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। ये इनफाइनाइट इनफाइनाइट यहाँ पर इनफाइनाइट टर्म्स हैं, तो एक का फर्क नहीं पड़ता। यहाँ पर से हमारी ये रिपीट हो रहा है, तो यहाँ से आप कर सकते हैं इक्वल टू वाई। So this multiply, and when you cross multiply you will get y square is equal to xy plus 1. Okay, so now you can differentiate it, and when you differentiate you will find 2y dy by dx is equal to x plus x dy by dx plus 0. Take the dy by dx common, and 2y minus x is equal to y. So you will get dy by dx is equal to y by 2y minus x. Okay, so ये हो जाएगा हमारा इसका आंसर. Okay, let's talk about the next problem. So problem is next problem that I am taking. So that is the third number, and problem is y is equal to root of sin x plus root of sin x plus root of sin x and up to infinite terms. Okay, so we have to find the dy by dx of this given expression. Okay, let's find the dy by dx. So what you can do, let's observe the pattern for sin x, root sin x plus root sin x. Okay, so now from here this has start repeating. Okay, so these things again can be considered y. So it is going to y is equal to sin x plus y. Okay, if you have understood this, then after this it is going to be easy. In the beginning you have to observe the pattern, that from where the pattern is start repeating, and then consider y. Now let's do squaring both side, and you will get y square is equal to sin x plus y. Let's differentiate it, and you will get, okay, we are differentiating with respect to x. So take the dy by dx common, and you will get 2y minus 1 equal to cos x dy by dx is equal to cos x by 2y minus 1. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, I think it is clear to you. Okay, so all of you please write it. Now, this was the questions where we have discussed the differentiation of the implicit function. Okay, so I told you the shortcut formula also, you can apply that formula. And now we are going to discuss the other thing, and that is the differentiation. Differentiation. This is the differentiation. Okay, you can understand it. Function in parametric form. In parametric. Okay, so suppose that we have two function x is function of phi of t and y is function of suppose psi of t. Okay, and you have to find the dy by dx. You have to find the dy by dx, but you know that y is the function of this t, so first you have to find dy by dt. Okay, and then x is the function of t also, so dx by dt. Okay, now this is the going to be the dy by dx. Okay, so please keep this in your mind, and let's take some problems and that will help you to understand this properly. Okay, so I am taking the questions, and question number is 1, and that question is x is equal to a theta minus sine theta and y is equal to a 1 minus cos theta, and you have to find out dy by dx. Okay, how to do that? Let's the same thing. Here the parameter is theta, so find out first dy by d theta. So dy by d theta is going to be what? A uh, differentiation of this constant is going to be 0, and cos theta is minus sine theta, so plus sine theta. Okay, and dx by d theta is going to what? A theta is 1 and cos theta. Now you can put all these value here. So dy by dx is going to be dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta is a sine. I don't know what is happening now. A sine theta. Okay, a sine theta divided by a 1 minus cos theta. If you want, you can apply the formula of half angle. Okay, and it is going to what? 2a sine theta by 2 and cos theta by 2 upon a, and you can apply 2 sine square theta by 2. Okay, so 2 and 2a get cancel, theta by 2 sine theta by 2 cancel, and cos by sine is going to be cot theta by 2. Okay, so I think it is clear to you. So answer is the cot theta by 2. Now you can take the other examples also, and I am telling you the other examples, and these examples is going to be, let's take the very good examples, and that is that is the okay, let's take this example. Okay, example number second. So example number second is x is equal to a to the power sine inverse t root of this. Okay, and y is equal to a to the power cos inverse t and root of it. Okay, it is given that a is positive and t is lying greater than minus 1 and less than 1. You have to find out the dy by dx. Okay, you have to find out the dy by dx. So there are other way of many way of solving these questions. You can find the dx by dt of this question, that is going to be dx by dt. Okay, so dx by dt is what? That is going to be 1 by 2 root of a to the power sine inverse t multiply by a to the power x, and that is going to be a to the power sine inverse t into log a, and differentiation of sine inverse, that is 1 by root of 1 minus t square. Okay, this is the dx by dt. Similarly, let's find the dy by dt, and that is going to be the 1 by 2 root of a cos inverse t into a to the power cos inverse t log a into minus times of 1 minus t square. So dy by dx, and in this case dy by dx is going to be dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. Now you have to divide these two. Okay, you have to divide these two. So how you can solve it? You can do one thing, and that is I am just telling you, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 get cancelled, log a, log a get cancelled, this and these two get cancelled, there is minus 0. Okay, and the things that you are getting is going to be what? So dy by dt, and that is, if you just solve these two, if you solve these two, you will get minus times of root of a to the power cos inverse t divided by a to the power sine inverse t and root of this. Okay, for this, so this is going to what? This is going to be minus y by x, because this is the value of y and this is the value of x, so minus y by x. So this is the way of getting the answer. So we have used the simple the definition, okay, of the parametric equation. Now what we can do for the next thing? So next method of this type of questions can be the very impressive, and I would say that this is the method first. Okay, and let's talk about the method second, and that's going to be really impressive for you. Let's multiply these two, and when you multiply, you will get what? You will get x into y is equal to a to the power sine inverse t, and then root of that multiply by a to the power cos inverse t. Okay, and root of that, and if you multiply, what you will get? You will get sine inverse t, and this is going to be sine inverse t plus cos inverse t by 2, because the root is going to what? 1 by 2. So by 2, sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is what? Pi by 2. So a to the power pi by 4, which is the constant number. What is this? This is a constant number. Now differentiate 1 plus y x plus dy by dx equal to 0, and you will get dy by dx equal to minus y by x. Okay, so this is the shortest way of solving this question, and once this question came in JEE main also. Okay, and if you apply this method, it's going to be really easy for you to solve it. Okay, so all of you please solve it, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Okay, and in next class we will discuss the other kind of questions, and those questions will be differentiation using log. Okay, so different kind of question we will discuss in the next episode. In this episode, this is the sufficient for you, and if you have any doubt question, you can ask me. You are always welcome. Okay,